Hello, I'm your coding yar and we'll be making this Bootstrap login form. This is a Bootstrap 5 starter template and I've linked a CSS file. Let's start with the Bootstrap 5 form page. Use the first form on this page. Remove this text and the checkbox. Add a div with class myForm and wrap all of this inside it. Now to style it, add some padding and a background color. Also change the font color. Add a title and change this to login. Set the max width to 45 VH and the margin inline to auto. For the title, make it bold, align it to the center, and increase the font size. Let's change the background color for the input boxes. Set the border to none and only add a bottom border. Set the border radius to 0. We need to change the background on focus as well. Remove the blue border by setting the box shadow to none and change the border color to white. Remove this left padding. Let's style the button. Lastly, let's add a sign up link and add some styles to it.